Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 3rd, 2025, we're analyzing Google, Alphabet, Google's stock. We'll be looking at the latest news and how it correlates with the current chart data. Recent headlines suggest a potential 25% drop in Alphabet's stock price if a U.S. district court orders Google to divest its Chrome browser. This black swan event, as described by Yahoo Finance, stems from antitrust concerns. Barclays analysts estimate Chrome contributes approximately 35% of Google's search revenue. We'll examine how this uncertainty is reflected in the charts. Let's start with the one-day chart to get a broader perspective. We can see significant volatility over the past year, with peaks around $195 to $205 and dips down to the $130 to $140 range. From a high of $205 in January to the recent test of $167. Zooming into a more recent range, starting from January 22, 2024. We saw that price action bottoming around 130 in March, then up to 190 and down to 150 in April. Then, the most recent upwards pump to almost $178. Now, let's examine the 1-hour chart to get a clearer picture of recent price movements and the most recent price action to get a clearer view of what to expect in the upcoming hours. We see increased choppiness over the last few weeks. This coincides with the increased news surrounding the Chrome divestiture. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see the very recent price action of yesterday and today. There's a defined resistance around $172. Google finished trading yesterday around $169 and has been fluctuating around that since. Given the potential Chrome divestiture, a bearish scenario is likely in the short term. If the court ruling goes against Google in August, we could see a drop towards the $130 to $140 support level. Key price levels to watch are $170 as immediate resistance and the $160 to $165 range as potential support. In the long term, Google's diverse business segments could mitigate the Chrome impact, making it a buying opportunity at lower levels. However, this depends on how effectively they adapt to the potential changes. Keep an eye on the volume and price action around these levels for confirmation. To recap, short term, watch for bearish signals related to the Chrome divestiture news. Key resistance at $170, support at $160 to $165. Long term, Google's overall strength may present a buying opportunity if the price drops significantly. This information is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Trade responsibly, stay informed, and thanks for watching Explain the Charts.